Hello everyone, can we hear me? Sorry, I was just changing the thumbnail and things. We should be good now. Just let me know in chat if you can hear me. Welcome to the stream, everybody. Good, everyone can hear me? Nice. How is everyone? Is everyone having a good, what is it, Friday today? Oh, I've also got to add slow mode back. Because for some reason it keeps removing it every stream I do. Enable slow mode. We'll set it to 20 seconds. That should be good. Hopefully that'll be acceptable for my mods. Let's reload the stream. Everyone's good? Everyone seems to be good? It's Saturday for you? Well, that's time zones for you. So, what is this skin? Yeah, okay, we're not going to talk about that. Blue for YouTube rank. Thank you, Popped. We hope so. Hello, everyone in chat. Hello, Longboarder, Tyler, 𝐿𝐿𝐼, I think it's something like that. Hello, everyone. 2 streams in 1 week, I know. It's pretty insane. Pretty unheard of times, but I want to start regular stream schedules. So I'm thinking about maybe once a week. I think I'll probably try to do once a week. I've had this week off, so I've had more time to live stream and stuff, but I'm hoping for 1 stream a week, probably on Saturdays. How does that sound for people? Because I know people enjoy the live streams, but I always just get distracted. What are you doing today? Yeah, so that's the thing. In this episode, or this live stream, I'm actually going to get you guys to decide. It's going to be out of a list of options, so very soon. I'm going to ask you between, I think there's like 3 options of things we could do this stream. And yeah, it's up to you guys to decide what you want to do. So close to red name. Yeah, it's pretty insane. I think what are we at? 28.1k, something like that. Pretty insane numbers. Minions, please? No, I'm afraid we're not going to be starting Minions today. But we've got some other cool things planned. But we'll start that very soon. In the meantime, if anyone wants to have a friend on Hypixel, feel free to. I've now got a new IGN. I'm now BlueCommands instead of Blue PvPs. It just makes more sense, I guess. Hey, Galactic Gaming YT. Hello, Rishta YT. What's chat saying? Would it be possible to recreate sword blocking? Yeah, I'll try to do sword blocking. Not this stream, but I do want it to feel 1.8 like. So yeah, I'll try to do sword blocking. Don't you worry, man. So yeah, it's good to see everyone seems to be having a good Friday. Well, for me, it's Friday evening, but for other people, it's Saturday, you know. All different times. By the way, let me know in chat, or let me know in the... Do you call it chat during live streams? I'm not sure. Let me know what time it is for you right now. Or what country you are streaming from, listening in from. It's pretty crazy, you know, people all around the world listening in. I'm also getting bullied for my armor. Half superior, half young, because I haven't got around to buying the other pieces. Sweden, shout out to Sweden. Sweden, Belgium, Canada, US. $6 PM. Yeah, because I also need to work out, if I do start a regular live stream on Saturdays, I need to work out what would be like the best time for everybody. See? Anyway, so let me go through what options we have for this live stream. We have a couple of things which maybe... Let me see if there's anything else. I think these 3. I've got 3 main options which I kind of want to start. But I'll let you guys decide what you want to see most. Okay? Okay, so let's do this. I will be launching a Twitter poll very soon, so you guys can vote on what you want to see. But here's the main options. So we have crits. This will include crit damage and crit chance. Because I know people have been asking that for a long time. Yeah, I'm finally planning on implementing that. We've also got finishing rare mob loot. I'm just going to explain each of these because some of them probably won't make too much sense for some people. But what I mean by finishing rare mob loot is when I did the remake, I think in episode 5, I think it's episode 5, which is the one where I made all the mobs. I started Magic Find, right? And the only rare mob loot I got done was the Lapis armor. All the other rare mob loots aren't done. So right now the only drops mobs have are the common stuff, you know, like rotten flesh, bones and stuff like that. So if you chose this option, it'd be adding all of those other items and making the mobs drop them. And 3, any of you guys who were here last stream, shout out to you guys. We designed in chests a chest cheats menu. And the 3rd option will be actually doing that. So moving that from concept to reality. So yeah, I'm going to launch this poll. Just feel free to go onto my Twitter. My Twitter is @itsbluecmdr. I'm sure it's in the description of this live stream. So yeah, we'll just launch this and see what you guys want to do. All of them are stuff I want to start getting done, but yeah, it's just based on what you guys think the most interesting thing is. I do have a preference of what I want to do, and I'm also I have an idea in mind of what you guys will probably want to see the most. But yeah, whatever you guys want will be the winner. Oh, it's actually very split right now. Wow. Okay, well, this might actually be a close fight. So yeah, we'll come back to this in a second. In the meantime, feel free to get your friend requests in if you want to. Only if you want to. And also, if anyone wants to join my guild, it's /G space join 𝐒𝐿. That's 𝐄𝐿𝐬. Yeah, we've got a few more slots spare, so if you want to join that, that'd be cool. Oops, stuck in a block. Welcome to my island. It's pretty terrible. Oh, we're actually getting quite a few. I'll try to accept some of these. Welcome to the guild, people. Well, I'm clicking these and it's not accepting you, but I'm sure it'll... It's working for some people, so I'm not sure. I'm seeing very split decisions in the chat while I'm reading it. I'm seeing lots of 2s, 1s, and 3s, to be honest. That's actually cool. Lots of you guys are joining the guild. Let's see how many members we're on. G info. We're on 217, so we've got 7 slots left. Right. Ooh, somebody's asking if they give me contraband. I would take that. So yeah, should we check on the poll or should we wait a little bit longer? What are you guys saying? I'm actually really surprised. I thought there'd be a clear winner here, but from the looks of chat, I haven't refreshed the Twitter page yet, but it's looking like it might be a very close one. Okay, let's have a look. Where did I put Twitter? Also, let me know how loud the music is for you guys, because I tried to... I was listening back on my stream last time, and it was kind of quiet. I couldn't really hear what was going on. So I did quite a few stream changes behind the scenes. Number one, it should be 1080p now, the stream. I know last time it was 720, or all my past streams have been 720. So I've tried to increase it to 1080. It's saying for me it's 1080. So I hope that's okay. Some people are saying, what music? Which isn't a good sign. Maybe I'll turn up a little bit. Lots of people are saying it's good as well. Okay, I'll turn up a tiny bit. There you go. Maybe if I go quiet, you'll be able to hear it better. Probably because I've not stopped talking. So yeah, it should be 1080. It should now have louder music / hearable music. And what else? There's something else I did. Let me think. I can't remember what I did. Oh yeah, also my mic was sounding weird last stream. Hopefully that's not the case anymore. But if it is, just let me know and I'll try to switch it up. Okay, perfect. Looking like everyone's hearing everything fine. Everyone's seeing 1080p. What's this IGN? My IGN is... how good people are accepting the guilds for me. My IGN is BlueCommands. I actually changed my name. It's been Blue PvPs for probably well over a year. But yeah, I thought I'd mix it up. I can't even hear the music. It's not meant to be too loud, it's just meant to be some background music. So it's fine if you can't hear it too. It's not too much of an issue. The only issue is if it was too loud. Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of people ask about the next video. That'll be sometime next month, I assume. Unless something goes wrong. Okay, let's take a look at our poll. Let's see what people did. This won't be the final results. I'll leave it a little bit longer, but let's just see how it's doing. Okay, so we've got the cheats menu first. The rare mob loot second, and crits last. That's interesting. I was actually expecting crits to be the winner, but it's not. So that's good, because I didn't particularly want to do crits today. But yeah, let's leave it a little longer. If anyone was rooting for crits on mob loot, anybody new? Because I know we've got quite a few new members since I launched this poll. We're voting on what you want to see this stream. So yeah, leave that a couple more minutes. Oh no. Also, at 30k I agreed I would use this skin, bald skin. So yeah, you know what you have to do, chat. Subscribe. Also, leave a like on the stream. That'd be appreciated. I know it sounds dumb asking for likes, but I did it last time and we suddenly doubled in likes, so I think some people just do genuinely forget to like things they enjoy, I guess. It might be better if you did a YouTube poll. Yeah, maybe. That'd probably be more balanced, but I'll do that next time, maybe. I've already started the Twitter one, so I think it'd be unfair if we switched. Yeah, I'm gonna be completely honest. I was hoping the mob loot would win, but that's fine. I mean, I'd enjoy doing any of it, but yeah, looking like Cheats is gonna win. You should make Slayers. Slayers won't be in the first release, but I probably will start them. Maybe I'm not sure which version I'll add them in, but they are like pretty high up in priorities. The Spooky Festival starts in 2 days. That's fine. We'll live stream instead. I don't want to spend the whole time doing the Spooky Festival. I'm a bit of a noob anyway, so. Someone says they want to give me contraband. I don't know where they are. Is this you? If it's like a piece of dirt or something, I'm gonna cry. Oh damn. Thank you, man. Thank you. When are you releasing Dragon Simulator? So the Dragon Simulator will be a part of the project. So the first version of project's basically going to be a Dragon Simulator, because most other stuff's not, isn't implemented yet. So that'll be sometime next month. I'll have a release video talking about what you can do, how everything works, stuff like that. What cheats menu is? Yeah, so if that wins, I'll talk about it. We did it last stream. I'll show you what we did last stream and what I'm planning to do this stream. Assuming that wins. Thank you. I think I've already got one, but thank you very much. Cool. Okay, let's see what won the poll. And then we'll move to the remake world. Okay, let's reload one last time. Okay, cheats is one. Okay, we'll do cheats then. That's cool. Okay, let me load up my... just get a couple more friends in. There you go. We'll move to my single player world now, so give me a second. Oh no, my dog's going to start crying. Okay, yeah, I'll just load up my world. Give me 2 seconds, chat. Dog reveal? I don't know about that one. Why aren't you starting Badline in 1.16? I don't know, it's a good question. I guess I just like using Forge. The mods I have on, I have World Edit, and also, what else? I also have something called Sodium, which is like Optifine, but like an alternative for Optifine. Yeah, because for some reason Optifine seems to have bugs with custom dimensions. It kind of lags when you have custom dimensions. I'll talk more about that in the release video, but yeah, I don't really recommend using Optifine with the remake. Is this going... No, you don't need Fabric to launch it. You can use this in vanilla Minecraft anywhere. Wow, 100 people watching. At the start of the stream, I thought it'd be a quiet stream, but guess not. Okay, we're in. Let me quickly full screen this. So yeah, whoever wasn't in last live stream, let me quickly remind you of what we did. So basically, obviously we've got our vanilla menu. This is kind of just the normal menu. But also at the moment, how my beta testers are testing and adding items and doing all sorts of stuff like that, is they're running commands in chat under /trigger, so it's /trigger. And then they got lots of different settings here to give themselves coins, to change some settings, to teleport, change their base stats, all this kind of stuff. And also they got a room, so if I teleport to the room, there's this room which is full of chests with all of the custom items. If the custom items in my remake so far, they're sitting in these chests, basically. But I don't really like how this works, so for the first release, what we want to do is we want to move this whole thing, so the commands and also this room, into into a menu-based approach, I guess you'd call it. So let me show you what we did last time. Last time we designed what the menus would look like. So we decided when you're in your main menu here, there'd be so long as you had cheats enabled, you'd be able to click a command block in the top right here, and it would toggle between the vanilla menu and a cheats menu, which looks like this. Right? Shout out to any of you guys who were here last stream. By the way, let me know in chat if anyone is new this stream who wasn't here last stream. So I guess it depends how much detail we need to go through. But yeah, so we have get items, we had teleport, we had change stats, money, collections, enchanting, and settings. So these are all different things we could change. Okay, we're seeing lots of new people, so that's good, that's cool. I'm just checking. I'm not wasting my time going through this. So, oops, I'm on full screen. Sorry, I was just checking the stream was on track, because the stream looked extremely delayed for me, but apparently it was just my monitor. So yeah, we toggle between it. I got all these cool little settings. So this, if you click this, it'll take you to this page. And here you'd have all the categories of stuff. So you could have swords. When you click on that, it'd take you to a page full of items to cheat in, etc. So then we also had teleports menu, where you could click one of these to teleport to the island instantly. We had change stats menu, where you could basically click on a stat. These, obviously, this is a prototype menu, so these don't have the names and stuff like that. And then you could increase or decrease your base stat of that to whatever you liked. We had, hello Jamie. We had money menu, so you could set coins, add coins, and then you could do so like this. We had collections, which was basically just going to be this menu here, so you could click on the collection, and you could click on the specific one you wanted. And when you clicked it, instead of taking you to this page here where it shows your level ups, it would automatically level you up to the next level. So if I clicked this, it would take me to level 1, then level 2, 3, etc. Then we had enchanting. So where basically you could click on any of these categories. So swords, bows, etc. And then you'd be able to select a book. And you could give yourself whatever enchantment you liked. So say you could give yourself sharpness 1000 through this menu, because if you didn't have this menu you'd have to do that using commands, which not everyone's familiar with. And then we had settings, the last one. It's basically just going to be settings to be a bunch of cool stuff to mess with. So the current setting ideas we had were show anvil uses, so that would make the item show your anvil uses or not. Max enchant level, meaning the anvil could go beyond what the typical max is, so you could go into the, you could combine 2 level 10 sharpnesses to get a level 11, stuff like that. And then we have hot potato book limit, special zealot chance, drop chances, superior dragon chances, ability cooldowns, unlimited mana, unlimited money, unlimited XP, fairy souls, mob spawn rates, speed cap, oratory crop regeneration speed, and accessory bag size. So they're the ones we thought of so far. But basically, none of this is implemented yet. We just fully designed this all out, but this isn't in the game. So as you go to cheats menu, basically what this is going to be is we can actually add this thing. So yeah, hopefully I explained that perfectly fine. I wonder if Hypixel will give you YouTube rank even though you remade Hypixel. I think we're on good terms now. They gave me permission to release it and things, so hopefully we're on good terms. We'll see. Can I do a custom GUI menu with command blocks? If you know commands, you could. There isn't really any automated ways to do it and stuff like that. Will it be a free download? Yes. Good explanation? Okay, good. Okay, so let's get into this. First of all, first thing we want to do is we want to add the command block up the top here. Right? So we want to go... Here are all of our... Oh no, this isn't actually the correct one. I need to get to the right file. This is a backup I have. Let's see. Saves, Remaking Skyblock version 0.7. Here we go. So Skyblock data pack. Here's all our subfolders. And I'm trying to slowly fix my code to make it look nicer. Because when I release this, I want to make this open source so anyone can have a look. So, considering my code is such a mess right now, I'm trying to reorganize stuff. So yeah, if anyone recognizes a change here, that's why. But we want to go into menu, functions. As you can see, still a mess, still a work in progress. And then we go menus. And actually, first of all, I'll quickly open the whole data pack in code. Oh, getting spoilers for 0.7 there. So yeah, data, menu, functions, menus, and we want to open the main menu page. Nice. Get rid of that. I did that. So it's going to look like a bit of a mess here, but what this specific line of code is doing is actually what our menu looks like. So that's what's controlling all of these items here. Thank you so much for... Oh, I missed it. I've just about missed it, but thank you for subscribing, whoever that just was. I think it was 𝐿𝐿𝐴 or something like that. I lost my train of thought. So yeah, we need a command block here. So to do that, we want to go to our code. We want to go to the first slot, so slot 0. What is cheats menu? Oh no, the people knew have just missed my long explanation. It's basically just a menu where you can cheat stuff in, mess with settings, stuff like that. This is going to be useful if you don't want to play legit, because I know there's a variety of players. Some who want to play legit, and some who just want to mess around, as if it's like a sandbox. So I'm trying to, you know, apply to both of those people. So we want to change this from a stained glass pane to a command block. And then if we reload, we should see a oh, never mind. Okay, I've messed something up already. Nice. I must have... Oh, I see. Okay, false alarm. I thought I'd done something stupid already. Okay, we need it here and here. There you go. So if I reload, I'm about to have age ballistic. That's a lot of coding. Oh, well, this is just one file. You should see the rest of everything. Okay, so here's our command block. Nice, so now we need to give it a name. What would be a good name? Oh, thank you to everyone subscribing. Thank you to Benjamin Potterfield for subscribing. Let's see. So we could name it something simple like, if I find the code again. Here it is. So, is this Java? No, it's not. It's actually a built-in Minecraft language. Oh, cheat mode. That's a good idea. Cheat mode. And then color. I think red's probably a good color. Like so. Oh, we also need some lore. Let's see here. Lore. Okay, let's just copy this. Like so. And in the lore, we can have it say something like click to activate or something like that. Click to activate. And that can be in yellow. Let me know if the text is large enough for you guys to read. I know sometimes I get quite annoyed when I'm on my phone trying to watch a video and they don't zoom into stuff. I know that personally really bothers me, so apologies if you guys can't see this properly. Say hi if you're cool. Hello, the lucky star. Click to enable. Do we think click to enable or click to activate? I think you're probably right. Enable is probably better. Thanks, Windfall. And then I just need to copy this again and put this up here. That was up here, like so. And then basically the reason we need this line seemingly is repeated twice for no reason, but the reason we have it twice is red. The reason we have it twice is one of them is actually, why do we need it twice? Oh no. Oh, so one's when you're in. One's when you're in your private island, and one's when you're in a public island. To control this item here, warp to private island. Large enough text? Okay, good, thank you. I'm glad. So yeah, technically I could probably optimize that, which I probably will do soon. But that's the reason why I have two. One for private island, one for public. So yeah, now it says, oh, no, it's italic. I hate italic as well. So let's remove that. Like so. Blah, 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 blah. Here. Reload. Can you make a Pocket Edition game? Unfortunately, Pocket Edition requires completely different code and stuff like that. It doesn't really work at all like the way Java Edition does. So, yeah, this won't be. You won't be able to use this in Pocket Edition, Java Edition only. Wow, we've got 500 people watching almost. That's pretty crazy. You're epic. Thank you, 𝐒𝐿 𝐿𝐿. Can I use your remake on my private? Oh, I lost it. It was something about can I use it on a private server? So long as it's with friends, yeah, you can. But you're not allowed to put this on a public server and try and make your own server out of Hypixel Skyblock's work. Yeah, so now we've done this, as you can see. Cheats mode, click to enable, but when I click this, nothing happens. So I think what we need to do is make a second. Well, we need to make a new menu, really. So I'm going to copy and paste this main menu one and change it to cheats menu. Oh, I'll just call it cheats, that works. Like so. And I can remove all this bit here, buttons, so we don't need any of the buttons. Actually, we need the close button and back button. No, we don't need back either, we just need close. So yeah, close button, like so. And then menu items. We don't need much of this either. Let's see. We can remove this stuff. Remove this. So we just need a simpler menu because right now it's not going to be as complicated as the main menu system is. We don't need this. We don't really need much of this. Okay, we can get rid of all of this, I think, and just change it to that. Can you leave live stream whitelisted so we can watch them later? I actually do. So if you go to my main channel page, or if you go to my playlist section, I've got a playlist called Past Live Streams or something like that. And then there you can see everything. All my past live streams are there, which isn't too many, but I'm trying to get more active, like I said earlier. I'll try do weekly live streams on Saturday. I think I'm going to start. At least attempt to. Don't know how long it'll last, but I really want to do it because I really enjoy live streaming. Just one of those things. There's not much like it having, you know, so many people interacting and things like that. Hello, cool cats. Sounds like you just joined. Hello, Fox Go hee hee hee. Hello, Natharsan Nanthakamara. Shout out to you. Okay, I've frozen. Okay, yeah, so instead of saying click to enable, click to disable this time, because this is our menu. And then we're going to need a way to actually access this menu. I remember the 10k days. Yeah, me too. It wasn't that long ago, to be honest. We grew pretty fast. So yes, we want to do this, and then we want to go... We want to copy this. This is basically a click event. So we're going to use this. Don't worry if you don't understand exactly what I'm doing. You just have to be able to follow along. Well, not even that. Even if you have no clue what you're doing, feel free to still listen in. So this is a click event. This is what's going to happen when we click our command block. And we need a way to actually activate this. So what we want to do is we want to go to... If I remember the file correctly, I think it's open menu, or maybe, oh no, it's open menus with plural. Again, not naming things very well. So down here, we just want to add the next number in, so 89, and sheets. And then what this button does is going to activate that number, so it knows, okay, it's 89, therefore you must be wanting the cheats menu. We don't need this, this is for accessory bag. Lovely. Insert plug to join Blue's Discord here. Well, as you've asked so nicely. In the description, there's a link to join the Discord. Feel free to. I know there's lots of people in there who'd love to see some new faces. I'm also very close to 5,000, which is pretty insane. Where was I? Yeah, so in here, we want to add a new button in the main menu. So in the main menu, just about here, it's good. We'll put it here. Like so. And all it's going to say is, if there's no longer a command block in the first slot, meaning somebody must have clicked that command block, then we're going to run the cheats click event. And when it runs the cheats click event, it's going to go, okay, you want a new menu. And it's going to load up this one, if everything's worked correctly. And then we want to do the same thing here. But we want to do the opposite. So if they click in the cheats menu, it wants to take you back to the main menu. And hopefully, if I've done everything correctly, this should work. I can't remember what the click event is called for the main menu. Let me see. Is it literally just main menu? Oh, it's home. Of course it is. Why wouldn't it be? Home. Okay, so let's see if what we've done so far is working. Hello to all my moderators in chat. Wait, people are saying 5k members. Did we hit 5k on Discord? That's pretty hype if we did. Thank you everyone so much. I can't check right now because I've got it closed. But yes, if I reload, /reload, let's see what's on here. Okay, so when we click to enable, it now says click to disable, which means basically we're now in our cheats menu. Yeah, so it works. Obviously the menu is the same because we haven't designed what the cheats menu looks like, but you can slightly see that it's changing. So that's great. Another thing I want to do is in the cheats menu, I thought I'd done it, but I guess not. I want to make it enchanted so it kind of glows. And to do that, you just have to go give @p command. Thank you, Newton, for subscribing. Give @p command block enchantment. I think it's something like this. Or maybe you can't do it with command blocks. Let me see. If I do this with a stick. Okay, I've just messed it up. Enchantments. Okay, it's enchantments. So, as you can see, if I just do this with any item, it should make it enchanted. So that's a cool tip if anybody wants to get into coding. Yeah, and thank you, 𝐒𝐭𝐬𝐲, yeah. Enchantments. And then another thing I will need to do is go... We want to slightly change our menu, because right now it looks exactly like the main menu. So we can just do this. And go to here. And it's going to get rid of... We're basically just going to get rid of all the stuff in the main menu. Just clear the page. And reload again. Can you make a head enchanted? No, you actually can't make a head enchanted without using texture pack magic. You can make it, if you make a custom model of that item and then enchant it, you can. But no, there's no way of doing it normally for player heads. That is like the one exception. Okay, so if I click this now, as you can see, it says click to disable, it's enchanted, and we've now got our slightly different menu. Oh, we don't want that anymore, so we'll get rid of it. We need to make it exactly like our menu now. So first of all, we want to remove our back arrow button, because that doesn't apply to this menu. There you go, that's gone. And now we need to have a look at what we made last stream. You're so close to YouTube rank. I know, right? And the sub counter on the top isn't even perfectly accurate, because that's kind of messed up. It only shows for public. People have their subscription set to public. It only pops up. So we're probably even closer, but that thing just doesn't know yet. I reckon we could do it this year, you know? We're really close. If you're not subscribed yet, please do. It's been like a childhood dream of mine to get YouTube rank for so long, so if we actually hit it, that'd be so mind-blowing. Just unthinkable. So yeah, we need to make it look like this. So first we need a barrel. Which slot is that? That is slot 8, 9, 10. So slot 10, we need a barrel. 10, barrel, like so. And then it's a compass. So it goes compass, beacon, golden nugget. Oh, we'll give it a name first. That'd be easy if we do that. Hi, I'm new. Can you say my name? Hello, 𝐒𝐿𝐻𝐿. How old are you? I am 16. Almost 17. We're getting there. Get items. What colour should this be? Maybe... Let's see. Maybe green? I'm not sure. Thank you, Swifty something. Sorry, I couldn't read the rest of that in time, but thank you so much for subscribing. Yep, I'm a 2003 kid. Bro, you sound 23. Thank you. It's probably just the mic, but thank you very much. I have to start saying, I have to think I was older. I have to start talking deeper. Okay, just forget I ever said that, guys. I'm definitely 25. Where was I? Okay, so I need to make this not italic, because italic bad. Do we need a law? I guess we could have a law for each item. What do you think? Do we need a law to explain what get items, teleport? Actually, no. No, we don't really need a law for these, do we? They're kind of quite self-explanatory what they're for. Yeah, I think we don't need a... I think that's a waste of time if we do that. Yeah, so get items, here we go. And notice you had the rest. So it went, let me check again. Teleport, change stats, money. Let me copy this and then paste. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Very cool. Then we need to fix these slot numbers so it counts up. So each item's in its appropriate slot. So 14, 15, 16. I'm very confused on what you're doing. So right now we are making a cheats menu. I should really make a pinned message so everyone can straight away, when they join, read up on what we're doing. But yeah, we're making a cheats menu. And this is the main menu of the cheats. Once I quickly fix these items, I can show you exactly what I mean. So it goes compass, beacon, gold nugget, compass, beacon, gold nugget, and then painting, experience bottle, comparator. I've already forgotten what I just said. Oh, painting. Painting. Compara. No. How am I messing this up? Experience bottle. Experience bottle. Comparator. Very nice. But yeah, as you can see, we're making a cheats menu for the first release, so people can easily treat it like a sandbox and mess around if they want to. So if I click this cheats mode button, it's going to toggle. And here is the items. We need to fix these names. And we need to add an item there, I think. Yeah, nothing's meant to be there. Oops, keep full screening by accident. That's slot 4. So I need to add something to slot 4. There we go, fixed. Hello, the olive man in chat. Make the stained glass red in the... Oh, that's an interesting idea. What do you guys think of that? Do we make this stuff red to make it stand out that we're in the cheats menu? So yeah, black or red, or just keep it the same as normal. I see a no, I see a yes. What playlist are you listening to? It's in the description. I think it's just some lo-fi one I found off YouTube. Yes. I'm seeing a lot of yeses. So, good idea, whoever that was. Sorry, I can't remember who you were. But your idea is popular, so thank you. I guess it'll probably help stand out so it's obvious that this is a remake feature. Because this obviously isn't in the actual remake. Real happens for menu list. Let's see. Do you guys like that? When did you start coding? Probably 5 years ago. A long time. I like that. 10 out of 10. Yes, yes. Alright, cool. Also, maybe it should be automatically stay on the correct menu when I open it. Because right now, if I'm on it, close it and open it up again, it resets. Do you think it should automatically remember? If you think it should remember, say yes remember, otherwise say no remember. Because otherwise I won't know if you're still talking about it being red or not. No, no, no. Okay, yeah, okay. I'm seeing mainly no's. Okay, we won't make it remember. It'll just have to click. I guess most of the time you'll probably want this more than you will a cheats menu. So yeah, I think that makes sense. Once people actually get to play it when the first release comes out, people can decide for themselves how it would play better. Yes, that sounds good. There are only clicks on the way back. I don't know why that's... Yeah, why don't you click? Let me see. Only clicks once. Which is a very small thing, but I'm a bit of a perfectionist, so we have to fix that immediately. Is this why? This should work. That's interesting. I don't know why that's not clicking. Home. Where's home? Oh, this has at P instead of at S. So I guess that's why. The only thing I can think of. What language does Datapack use? They use a... It's kind of a custom language. I think that's just called Minecraft functions. I think that's better. Yeah, it's just Minecraft commands. Reload resource pack? Nah, the sounds don't have anything to do with the resource pack. I don't change them. It's working now, so we're all good. What if instead of using the Hypixel IP... I don't know where you mean by the Hypixel IP. I don't actually... If you mean on the sidebar, it doesn't actually show the IP. It shows nothing. If any of my beta testers are in chat, you should be getting a new beta test soon, by the way, so look forward to that. it'll kind of be a very final one, just to check everything's working before the release. Because I don't want to release it to thousands of people to find I've got some big bug I forgot to check out. That'd kind of be terrifying. So yeah, let's fix these names now. Get items. So the compass was for teleporting, so we'll just call it teleports. The beacon was to change stats, so change base stats. The gold nugget was to change money, so get coins, I guess. Get money or get coins, probably get coins. Release near? Yeah, the release is very close. It depends, because the thing is, I can have a release very, very soon, but then it won't have as much, you see, or I can wait like a couple extra weeks and then get more in for you guys. So, I don't know. Personally, I'd rather squeeze in as much as I can, so people have as much to play with as possible, because realistically, right now, there's not too much to do, you know. Most of the stuff I've done are kind of just important, but not stuff you'd play with, you know, like, for example, collections. Sure, it was much needed, it's important, but it's not something you can play for hours with, you know, let me keep giving myself extra collections. You know what I mean? So, yeah, that's the thing. Because, sorry, let me upgrade collections. Because I know lots of you are very understanding about the fact, like, sure, not everything's in the remake so far, and, you know, some things will be buggy and stuff like that, but there'll be a small percentage who, like, won't really understand that, you know, this is the first version, this is very early releases, there'll still be bugs, there's not much to do right now, you know, stuff like that. And I just don't want to let those people down who are expecting, you know, like, a perfect, flawless remake, you know, dungeons and everything, when there's not actually too much in there yet. Custom enchanting, I'll call it. And the last one is settings. Beta at 30k. It'll probably come out very close to 30k, but it won't be labeled as 30k. It's coincidentally coming out at a similar time, which is pretty crazy, but... Okay, yeah, so all of these names are working now. Change base stats, get coins, upgrade, etc. They're all good. If you release it, will it be free? Yeah, it's free. What host do you recommend for Minecraft servers? Well, I don't have a server, but I did used to a long years ago, and I think I used Apex Minecraft hosting. I couldn't recommend them over anybody else because I haven't tried anybody else, but they served its purpose back then when I used to try and make a server. It was a terrible server. Don't even ask me about it. It was awful, but yeah, that's what I used it for. Okay, so now we've got our main menu working. We need to add these button functionalities. So we need to make our get items page, teleports page, etc. So which one do you want me to do first, guys? Would you like me to make the get items feature, teleports, change base stats, get coins, upgrade collections, custom enchanting, or settings? What do you guys think? I'm thinking probably settings or teleports. Teleports because it'd be simple. Settings because it'd be interesting. I don't want to do items because that's going to be a lot of hard coding, a lot of manual work. It wouldn't be fun to watch, trust me. What's people saying? Teleports? I'm seeing a lot of teleports. Put your YouTube URL where the Hypixel IP usually goes? Maybe. Maybe. I'm seeing lots of teleport. I'm seeing some coins too. It's mainly between teleport, coins, and settings right now. So I think I'm going to do teleports first. Just because I think it'll be a very simple one to get out of the way. So why not do it, you know what I mean? So first of all, I need to make another page. I need to go... well, I can make another click event while I'm here, so... I'll make a folder, you know. I'll be extra neat. Cheats. And then in cheats, we can have teleports. And this will just take us to the next page up, which is 90. And then open menus, we need to add that, like so. What are my PC specs? That's a good question. I have... It's pretty good, to be honest. I have 32 gigabytes of RAM. I have... Well, let me get it up. I'll get the exact stuff up for you guys. Task Manager, let's see here. I have a 3.8 gigahertz CPU. It's a Intel i7. I have... my GPU is pretty good as well. I have a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 260 Super. Yeah, that's kind of the basic stuff, I guess. Sean Anderson says he's got to go. I hope you have a good evening or day or whatever time it is for you. What's your IGN? It is BlueCommands. I almost said Blue PvPs. That was what I had. But then I changed it a couple of days ago. So it's now BlueCommands. Although, it's so sad that... I don't know if you guys saw my post, but Blue Commander, which obviously is my perfect channel name, it's exactly what it is, was available in January. Somebody changed their username so it was available in January, but I didn't notice. So somebody now has it, so that's really sad, but fair play to them. They beat me to it. And I looked on Name them, see if they don't have any way of contacting them. Because honestly, I'd probably pay for it, you know, like... It's kind of a major F having Blue Commands instead of Blue Commander. But, you know, we move. It's all good. It's not the end of the world. You're a better coder than Fundy? I don't know about that. He makes... what does he make? I think he makes... Does he make mods or plugins? I think he might do plugins. But yes, it's kind of a different playing field, really. Sheets. Teleports. There you go. Yeah, Fundy makes plugins, apparently. Yeah, well, in that case, he'd definitely beat me at plugins, because I can't code plugins, but... Wait, yeah, so now we need to make... Instead of having the command block, we need a back arrow again now. So, arrow in slot 21. Like so. So this is the teleports menu, anyone who's new. We're making a menu where you click the items, it'll take you instantly to that place. It's just going to be a fun, well not fun, but a useful feature for people who want to mess around in the first version of the remake when it comes out. Okay, so this is our back arrow. So it means, by having a back arrow, it means if we click on the teleports menu, we can still get out of it again, obviously, because we don't want to get stuck there. What do back arrows normally look like? It's normally go back in green. Go back in green. And then we'll add a bit of lore as well, which is like a description on items for anyone who... I don't know why they call it lore. I don't know if there's a... I don't know if that's just like a word I'm not familiar with, but I mean, I've never heard of someone refer to a description as a lore. But Minecraft does, so, you know. And that says to sheets menu in gray. And then our sheets menu, we need a way to actually access our teleports menu. So what we want is if the compass is missing from slot 11, sorry. That means they clicked it, so we want to go to cheats/teleports. I think that's the correct address. We good? I think I missed something. I really do, but we'll just try, see what happened. So yeah, we click here, and then if we click... Okay, it technically works, but I don't think I added our menu to the menu list. Like the main function which lists all of our locate... Oh, I did. I spelt it wrong, that's why. Okay. Okay. At Toad, it is indeed, sir. That's not even half of it. Well, that's not even a tiny % of it. Yeah, so this is our new menu. It doesn't really look correct because we haven't fixed it up yet, but I'll go back was in red instead of green. How did I mess that up? Go back. Where is it? Here. Green. I leaked my name, did I? It doesn't matter too much. Do you know 30 Virus? Well, I know him as a YouTuber. I watch his videos. We're not on. We don't talk to each other. Your remake go by copyright? No, I've got permission to release.
Let me suggest something with which you may disagree violently.
Okay.
At best,
Let's see. So yeah, we need to fix up this menu a bit. We need to remove the command block from the first slot because that only applies to the main menu. And now we need to get the correct. Let me go over here.
To teach us to ask the right questions, and then go and ask for explanations.
Teleport. So we need to copy this in. So the first is a grass block.
Ask yourself if there's anything in your life
Which is this here. So slot 9, grass block. Then we have hay bale. Is it hay? Yeah, hay underscore block. That's what it is. What have I just done? Hay underscore block. Then it goes gold ore, diamond ore, dark oak log. That's here. Gold ore, diamond ore. What was the other one? It was a... I'm really testing my memory here, guys. It was dark oak log. I don't know why I can't remember 3 things. And then red underscore mushroom underscore block. I can't find it. Red underscore mushroom underscore block. Then gravel, netherrack, end stone. Gravel, netherrack, and finally end stone. Just do this like so. Slot 17, end stone. So if I reload this now, we should have a decent amount of progress. Sorry. So yeah, cheats mode, and then we click teleports. We're now taken to a page looking a bit like this. We need to fix the names again. Yes, let's do that. We're actually getting through this quite fast. Yeah, so grass block was the hub island. Hay bale is the barn. Gold ore was gold mine. Diamond ore, deep caverns. Dark oak log was the park. Then we got mushroom desert. Gravel is spider's den. Spider's den. Got to use an escape character there so it doesn't mess up. And finally, oh no, not finally. Then we've got the blazing fortress. And now finally we have the end. What if they add a new island? It's going to completely mess this up because we won't have enough space. But if you reload, not using plugins. No, I'm using command blocks. or data packs, but they're literally just command blocks written into a file. There we go, all our names correct. So now when we click this, we need to make it teleport. Luckily, I've already got all the teleport commands set up from when I had, as I was talking about earlier, I've already made I made really early versions of this stuff. So people and beta testers on their very first version could mess around. But now we're moving this to our menu. So as you can see, I already had a teleport book, which when I click this stuff, it would instantly take me there. So the command for those was function, teleports, and then just a name. So function teleports to, is it village? To village. That's our first one. When are you going to be doing dark auctions in the community shop? That's a good point. I'm not sure. I know I've seen a lot of people ask for dark auctions. It's like, you know, I always ask people what do you want to see in the next video, and a very common response is dark auctions, which is interesting to me because I don't know. Is it just me? I don't go to dark auctions very often. Do you guys go to dark auctions a lot? But yeah, it's always a fan favorite, so we'll see. Maybe. But yeah, so no, see, like, not many of you guys seem to go either. Maybe because of the Scorpius meh? No, I mean, even before Scorpius, it was a very popular one. Is this pure data packs? It also uses a resource pack, but yeah, there's no Python files or any other stuff like that. No plugins. Are pets in the game yet? No, they're not. So basically, everything you've seen in the videos is what we've got so far. I've done a couple of small things. I've mainly been doing optimization and bug fixes since last episode, so there's not too much content since then. So the last major feature I worked on was dragons. How are you going to do the auction house? I'm not really sure yet. I'll probably have to use like some custom dimension stuff. So for example, at the moment, to store the players... Well, actually, I don't have an accessory bag right now because I'm not high enough level. But to store the player's accessory bag, I use custom worlds. So a specific coordinate in a world represents the player's unique user ID, the UUID. So basically means I've got a unique place to store every single player's storage. So I'll probably use a similar system for that. So I can store everyone's auctions and stuff like that so that I don't lose them. Are you going to do coding tutorials for Minecraft? I don't know. I've never thought about... I used to a long time ago. I mainly deleted most of those now because they just weren't very popular. Not many people wanted to see them, but I don't know. If there was suddenly a resurgence of people wanting to see tutorials again, maybe I could. I don't know. How many of you guys would want to see tutorials? Yeah, so I think that's right, but we also need to be careful with a small little bug, which let me just check out right now. Let me check if I fixed it yet or not. Okay, I think I've already done it. Basically, the issue was if they teleport, I already fixed on some teleports. Oh, lots of you guys would want to see tutorials. Vanilla GUI tutorial. We'll see, maybe that's a good thing for the second channel, because I've kind of not really done much on the second channel for a while because I wasn't really sure what to do with it. Because I did the bug fixing series and I've got a ton of bugs to do, so maybe I'll do another one of those. But other than the bug fixing, I wasn't really sure what to do. And I've kind of been holding off on doing another bug fixing video because they take so much work. You know, the second channel was meant to be like quick videos, ones which wouldn't take much time to do. But it took so long, man. Because it was 100 bugs and I had to record a before and after clip for every single one, then put that together, then audio over it, then add all the special effects, you know, like numbers on the screen popping up for each number. It was just so much. So, I mean, that kind of put me off doing another one, but I know a lot of you guys were like major fans. Well, maybe major is a push, but some of you guys said you preferred the bug fixing series more than the real series, which is pretty insane. So, I'm going to close this actually, I don't want it in Notepad++. So we'll see, maybe. So yeah, if you have any other ideas for a second channel series to do with Remaking Skyblock, let me know. Any tutorial requests or anything like that, just let me know. And yeah, 𝐒𝐿𝐮𝐬𝐢, sorry, I didn't respond to your message straight away, but yeah, I will check DMs when I can, after the stream. So yeah, what we basically want to do is add these 2 lines here to every teleport file. The reason being is it'll fix a bug with the menu. Without it, it will... Sorry, I'm getting distracted. Without it, if we don't have those 2 lines, it's going to result in the menu kind of staying around after the player's teleported. So the player would have teleported, but the menu's still there. So you'll just have a levitating menu, which isn't what we want at all. Of course. Okay, so let me add all these. Now I want to open Notepad++. Temporarily. I hate Notepad++. It just looks awful. I really like the dark theme on VS Code. I mean, just look how unreadable this is. I can't make sense of anything. Hello, 𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿 in chat. Tutorial on how you did the animation for the door of the dragon's nest. It's kind of just a lot of... I basically made a structure block. It's not too difficult. I made a structure block of each phase. So one for when it's completely open, one for when it's slightly open, then again and again and again till it's properly open. Till it's 100% open. And then I simply kind of alternated between them. I placed a structure block and I activate it with a redstone block automatically. What is happening? My brain is hurting. Oh, I'm sorry, Pano. Right now we're doing a teleports menu. And what I mean by that is, at the moment I have a teleport book. So when you open the book, there's lots of different teleport options where you can instantly teleport to places. But that isn't very good because the way you get the book is using a command. And the command's quite a strange command, which not many people are going to find very easily. So instead I want to move all of this stuff to a menu-based system. So that's why we're making something called the cheats menu. And it's going to have all sorts of cheats, like settings to mess with. You can cheat in items, you can teleport, which is what we're doing right now. Stuff like that. And specifically what I'm doing right now is I'm just fixing a small bug. But that's fixed now, so we can get rid of that. And now we can finish off the teleports menu. Oh, actually, something I need to check. I think I might have... Let me see. Yeah, okay, I need to add this stuff. Almost forgot about this. These 27 commands basically are what stops players from being able to just throw away their items. So if I reload now and I open the menu, if I've done this correctly, if I put my items here, it'll just give them straight back to me. As you can see, it put them over here. Without those 27 commands, they would just be lost in the abyss. This is cool, thank you, man. How's my day? I've actually had a pretty good day. I met up with some friends, kind of just had a relaxing day. When I came back, thought, you know, what would be a nice way to end the day off? Do a nice live stream. So here we are. Yeah, so let's finish this off. I'll put this to my other monitor so I can see. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Sandwich would be quite good is, I saw it in another command creator's live stream. I think it was 𝐿𝐿𝐿. I don't know how many of you are familiar with command YouTubers. I'm sure lots of you from the Skyblock scene, so don't know about them. But anyway, there's this guy called 𝐿𝐿𝐿, and he had a cool setup for his live stream where he had his Minecraft kind of in the main stage, I guess you'd say. And in a little corner here, he had the code. So you had both monitors displaying at the same time, which I thought was a pretty cool idea. So we'll see. I might do something like that. Hey block, not hey bell. Oh yeah, thank you. Good spot. Dark oak log. Red mushroom block. Gravel. And netherrack. And then one more. Didn't have enough. And stone. What's chat saying? In the menus, the items don't get destroyed when they go back in inventory. I don't quite know what you mean, but yeah, I think you're talking about what I was just talking about. So when you place an item here, you get it back rather than losing it, right? Okay, so each of these teleports, we have teleport to function, skyblock, teleports. Okay, and it's all one word they are. So to the barn is the next one. And then it's to gold mine. To deep caverns. Hopefully this all works when we get into the actual remake. To mushroom desert. Oh, I forgot the two. To spiders den. To blazing fortress. And to the end. Did I get those all right? Hopefully. Oh, it's just to end. Okay, that's one of them I messed up. Did I mess up any others? I don't think so. I guess the best way is just to try, right? Remake Murder Mystery. It's a good idea. I guess Murder Mystery is kind of a bit like Among Us. They kind of came up with Among Us before it happened, right? We'll see. I've got quite a lot on my plate with Skyblock at the moment. Okay, let's full screen this, see if it works. Teleport to hub. We went straight to the hub. Nice. Looking good. Okay, let's try the rest. Teleport to the barn. Is the barn going to work? Okay. It didn't want to take me to the barn, but that's okay. Are the others going to work? Gold mine worked. Teleports. Deep caverns. Deep caverns works. Very nice. So it looks like the menu's mostly working. Mushroom desert. How are you connecting all the different worlds? It's with a 1.16 feature called Custom Dimensions. So with data packs, you can now make several dimensions other than just the overworld, nether, and end. It's meant to be used for... Okay, Spider's Den doesn't work either. It's meant to be used for, you know, like the moon, you know, stuff like that, making your own stuff. But it comes in very handy for this too. Okay, so a couple of them don't work. So let's take a look at that. Function, skyblock. The first one which didn't work was the barn. It's possible I spelt it wrong. No, I didn't spell it wrong. You missed a park? Did I not test the park? Let's see. Did the park work? Oh, the park. Wait, did it work before? I'm not sure. It's working now at least, so that's something. Do I have any console errors? No, I don't. I'm not sure it's not working then. It's interesting. Let me check the teleport function, see if I messed it up in here somehow. Doesn't look like I did. This does that, that. Yeah, that should work. Let me see if... Do you have a stream schedule? I haven't previously, but I'm working on making one. My current favourite idea is doing them Saturdays, maybe. Okay, so Spider's Den didn't work either. Not sure why though. Anyone have any ideas? Am I going to do duels? Yeah, at the end of the live stream I'll do duels again. As long as you guys want to, of course. Are you guys down for some duels at the end of the live stream? How long have you been doing data packs? Pretty much since they came out. They were released on 1.13, so I've done them since then. And then before that, I just used command blocks. Asru says, I think I might be in your dev team. Yep, you certainly are. Shout out to, well, my dev team isn't fully assembled yet, but I've got 2 people. Well, 3 technically. So shout out to you guys, you know who you are. I'm not sure why this isn't working. Maybe it must be something stupid I did. A small thing. It kills the menu, which it should. Is it the order I do this stuff? Where did you learn all this stuff? A lot of it was self-taught, but there's also some really good tutorial YouTubers out there who do a great job of explaining stuff. Did the dev team include me? It could quite possibly. I've narrowed down the applications to 42 people who seem really good. I can't remember exactly who they all were. How do I join the dev team? There's a application on my website if you're interested. Okay, does this after the teleport? Maybe that's why. I doubt that would make any difference, to be honest, but we can try. So here, let's see if that does anything. The strange thing is it works when I run it in chat, but it's not working when I run it in the menu. And it's also somewhat working. It's oh, I know. I think I know what it's doing. Yeah, there needs to be an as at p here. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, let me open these all back up again then. I need to check what I did for each one. Oh yeah, because here it says at p, that's why. There you go. That should fix the majority of it. Execute as at p. Or a better way of doing this would be just having here I go, as at p. As at p basically means instead of running from the perspective of the chest minecart, it's going to run from the player. So when it's teleporting me instead of the minecart, which we definitely don't want. How many dependencies did you have to learn for this? I don't know quite what you mean by dependencies. I didn't have to... It doesn't depend on anything except my own code, I guess. So there was a lot of work, or a lot of learning which led up to this project, before I really began this. So, you know, I was kind of quite experienced before I got to this, but this has really taken my knowledge to the next level, I'd say. You know, there's lots of stuff I've had to learn because of this and all sorts, so I'd say ultimately, you know, I'd say I'm much better than I was before because of this, so it certainly had its benefits. Okay, I think most of these are good. Let me just go through each one. I'll just open them all. Okay, does the park work good? It is now. Great content, Blue. Thank you. I never know the best way to structure coding things like this because obviously not everyone is used to coding or is much of a coder. So I want to try make it obviously as engaging for as many people as possible. But I don't know whether I succeed in that or not, but at least I try. I think the music definitely helps for me, at least. It's quite calming. Although I don't know how well you guys can hear it. You said you could hear it, so. At S. At S. Yep. So I think most of these are good then. There was just a couple which were messed up. Okay, reload. Let's see. Hopefully, fingers crossed everyone, but this is working. Are you a dev on Real Hypixel? I am not, no. I just do this for fun. Okay, teleports. Hub Island. That is not the hub. Well, that's an interesting choice of teleport. Okay, they all go to the hub. I don't know why they do that. Okay. How have I managed to mess this up? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There's endstone there. Yeah, that's strange. Hello, pill dealer. Okay, all of them go to the deep caverns. So what happens if I click other places? Do other buttons work? Other buttons are working. It's just these teleports all want to go to the end. I guess there must be an obvious reason. Let me think. I guess if I set collection delay to 1, which you don't have to know what that is, but I'm hoping if I do that, it'll fix this all. So scoreboard, layers, set, at is collection delay to 1. And I'll just paste this at the top of every single one of these teleports. What this basically means is you can only do 1 teleport per tick. So if it's teleported to 1 person, it's not going to try to suddenly teleport to somebody else too. And if I'm thinking right, this should work. Okay, let's try this. Reload. Cheat mode on, teleport, hub. Nope, it still wants to take me to the hub. To the end. Okay, I tried. Let's take another look then. Black screen? It doesn't seem to be a black screen for me. Oh yes, end equals hub. Yep. When the cheat menu is done, is this being released? Well, not straight after, because there's some other stuff. I've got some other ideas and stuff planned. Any idea when the stream's going to end? Because I need to know how long I need to stay for. Well, I want to stay here for. That's from Uganda, one of my mods. Well, feel free to go whenever you like. You don't have to mod the stream. Your work's appreciated, but I know you might have things to do in your day too. Reload? I think I reloaded. But yeah, it won't be straight after. Like what? In terms of what other features? Let me think. I don't know if I should reveal all of it. Alright, I'll tell you what. Did I tell you guys what I'm thinking of doing before the next release? Or the first release? I think I want to keep it a secret, you know. But I'll tell you one thing I am planning on doing is crits, which is something I did a poll. I did a poll on Twitter at the start of the stream of what you guys wanted to see me work on this stream. And yeah, that was one of the things which I had on there. So I'm definitely going to do that. Okay, let's take another look at these. Set collection daily to 1. Okay, didn't like that. That did nothing. If I go tag at s, add sheets, teleported, and here at the end I go tag the nearest player, remove cheats teleported. It's basically to do the same thing but without a scoreboard, because the scoreboard might be messing it up.
And if you're thinking right now, what have I asked for? Ask yourself if there's anything in your life.
If entity at s does not have that tag, like so. Hopefully this works, otherwise I'm wasting my time here. Okay, let's just test if this works with one item, and if it works with one, we can move that to all of them. The function looks like it's teleporting the player to the end. Correct, it is. The reason why is a mystery, unless this... Oh! That worked. Let's go. Okay, I think that worked. Okay, now see to the rest of the items and we're good. Perfect. Well, that's a W. Awesome. And then we've got collections done. Easy peasy. Except it wasn't because it took way too much effort, but other than that... I don't need it for the private island. Oh, I don't need it for the canvas room or flower shop either. Or admin box. Well, I won't need it, the admin box at all once I finish this menu, so. Okay, so everything for the teleports menu should be working now if I've done this correctly. I'm new on stream, what are you coding? So we're making a cheats menu. So if you were here last stream, I'm not sure if you were or not, but we designed a cheats menu, and it was going to have all these different settings in. So we're actually implementing that for real now. So far this stream we've added the button to toggle between it. We're doing teleports right now, so if I click teleports, we've got our options here. If I click hub, it takes me to the hub. If I click gold mine, etc. So nice. Our menu is working. It's pretty hype. Okay, cool. Another thing I've just realized is right now, if I go back to created, right now this cheats mode item will appear for all players. But what we want to do is make it only available for players who have this tag, tag at s list, who has cheats enabled tag. So basically, I need to quickly make a slight tweak. And that is up here. We basically want to say, we want to test the nearest player, so we need to see if the nearest player has this tag, right? So to do that, we just want to go as at P, if entity at S tag equals, what was it, cheats enabled. Cheats, so if the player has cheats enabled, they can open the cheats menu. Another thing we need to do is we need to, if we go admin loop tables menu in here, and we need to copy, I don't know, it doesn't matter what we copy, this will do. Sheets. Yeah, so we need to move it to a loop table. I don't really want to get into why we do, but it basically means that we can have it optional. If we didn't have it at a loop table, it would have to be there all the time. But we want the item to only appear for players who have this tag. Hopefully that made a bit of sense. So we can get rid of all this. This is all player head code, which we don't need. We don't need that either. We need a command block. This is enchanted. Enchantments. So, and it's basically this item over here. Is there a book to read on this? Read on what? I don't quite know what you mean. If you mean just on command blocks, there's also YouTube videos out there. Or if you mean what we're working on right now, I should really make a pinned message, but maybe next time I'll write a pinned message so you guys know exactly what we're working on. Because otherwise, people who come in late, it's quite hard for them to follow, I imagine. So its law is cheats. Click to enable. And that's in yellow. We don't need any of this other stuff. Its name is just cheats mode in red. Okay, and now what we can do is we can switch this back to a normal black stain pane. I think we're good here. So I'm getting a bit quiet. I'm using brain power right now. So yeah, if entity at S has the tag of cheats enabled chest. I'm gonna have to make a new tag. Cheats enabled chest. Then it can go admin menu cheats. And that's slot 0. Perfect. Then up here. So I'm just trying to do this as fast as possible because this probably isn't the most interesting thing to look at. How's chat doing? Blue with teleports, it says going to hub with every teleport. Let me see, does it? Cheat mode, teleports, mushroom desert. No, it doesn't. I think that was a bug from before. The only message time it has a message when it goes to the hub. The others don't say teleporting to, which I should probably do, shouldn't I? Because otherwise it's not consistent. Okay, I'll do that in a second. Thank you. Just need to fit. Oops, I opened 𝐒𝐿𝐴, which is what I edit with. We don't need that. Okay, so in open menu, or summon menu, and regenerate menu. Right. So in here, we need to... Actually, is this the right place? Do I want to have it in here? I think I do. So we want to go tag, add, what was our tag? It was cheats enabled menu. And if I haven't messed this up, nothing would have changed, given I haven't messed this up. Oh, it's always enchanted now. Okay, that should be easy fix. We just go in here. Don't need that. Reload. Okay, there we go. It's still working, which is good. But now we just need to do one final thing. We need to go if entity at s tag equals cheats enabled. So yeah, this should work. Give it everything right. You've been doing this for a long time, and this is what you made. Yeah, it does take a long time to do things like this. To be fair, live streaming also does slow me down a bit. Yeah, ooh, that shouldn't be there. Okay, one thing wrong. We almost got it. But yeah, live stream does slow me down a bit, but it's more fun this way, so. Yeah, so this needs to be at S. I think it can just be like this. And that should work. Could you put this in a command block? Well, technically I could have all of this in command blocks, but I do it in data packs because it's much nicer. Easier to work with, easy to understand, it's more efficient, it lags you less, so there's not really any reason not to for me. Have I got the name right? Tag attest list. Oh, tag at s add cheats enabled. Tag at entity type equals chest mine cut, so equals nearest limit equals 1. List. Cheats enabled chest. Okay, cool. If I remove my tag, doesn't have that tag. Okay, that's good, but it still displays our command block here when it shouldn't. Basically, for players who don't have cheats, we don't want them to display the command block at whatsoever. It'll be just like a normal menu then. Hover over... Have custom lore if you hover over cheats without the tag. I think it's probably better if I just remove the tag, if I remove the item completely, if they don't have the tag. But I'm trying to do that and it doesn't like it. It doesn't want to work still. If I remove this and I reload, I'm assuming I didn't do stupid. Surely I didn't do this. I did. Okay. The reason it's not working is because I didn't remove it from up here. Yeah, it's still sitting here. What a rookie mistake, chat. How foolish of me. Okay, now, so I don't have the tag right now, and as you can see, the player would never know there was a button there. But if I give myself a tag, which only operators could do, or so only players who you want to have this on your private server could. There you go, now cheats is enabled, and we can access our menu. Beautiful. Okay, let's quickly add the teleporting to ... bit to all of our different pages. I'm going to do this. Yeah, we're good. So yeah, we're going to go to Skyblock folder, and then we go to the teleports folder, and it's here. So I need to open all these. This is it. Teleporting to the end. So yeah, I just need to do the same thing, but change the name each time. Teleporting to Blazing Fortress. Teleporting to Deep Caverns. We don't need it for this, or this, or this, or this. Do need it here though. Teleporting to Spider's Den. Teleporting to the park. Teleporting to the barn. And teleporting to... Oh, never mind, this isn't the last one. I thought it was for some reason. Mushroom Desert. Gold mine. Don't need to do the flower shop, and that's us done there. So assuming we've done that right. We go sheep mode, teleports, the path. There we go. Nice. Okay, it's working. Beautiful. Okay. So, add MVP++ fast travel destinations as well. I'll probably add those when I had fast travel. Well, I guess when I had fast travel, the teleport section of this menu will probably be redundant, but yeah, good suggestion. But I'll probably leave it for now. So yeah, we've done teleports. Now we need to choose what we're going to do next. We can do any of these really. I think I might do settings, but let's see. What do you guys think we should do next? Should we do get items, change base stats, get coins, upgrade collections, custom enchanting, or settings? My preference is settings, but what do you guys think? What coding program do you use? I use VS Code to code in, but the actual coding language is just vanilla Minecraft command blocks. Yeah, I'm seeing mostly settings. I'm seeing quite a lot of items as well, but I probably want to leave that till off camera, because that's just be a lot of slow work. I don't know, maybe we can. It depends, it's very split. I'm not sure what you guys would rather do. I guess maybe settings, I think. Yeah, I think we'll do settings. Why do you prefer command blocks over plugins? Because they work in single player. Means you don't have to pay for a server, or you don't have to play with other people. I don't know. It's mainly what I got into. I couldn't code this in plugins because I don't know plugins. This is the language I know. Yeah, I think settings was good. Okay, let's do a bit of settings. My decision has been made. Okay, we don't need this anymore. What we do need to go to is menu, functions, click, cheats, and now settings. And this is page 91. Here, settings. Menus. Cheats, copy teleports, change it to settings again. And nice. Thank you very much to, I guess like 𝐒𝐿𝐳 for subscribing. It means a lot. So yeah, we can delete this. And now we need to copy our design from our chests over, which is down here. So we had the line at the bottom's the same, but then all the others are different. Okay, so items go up to 0, 1, 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 14 onwards is just pains. So let me copy that and do that first. 14, so yeah, 14 onwards was pains. Thank you very much to all my new subscribers, sadly. 𝐿𝐴𝐿𝐿. Thank you very much, man. Okay, there you go. Let's try this out, see what it looks like. It's going to be a bit messy right now. It's not going to be exactly how I did it, but if I go cheats mode, settings. Okay, never mind, it's broken right now. Okay, let's go. My dog's barking, sorry if you can hear that. So, teleports cheat menu. We just need to... Oh no, wrong menu. We want to go to the main cheats menu, which is this one. And make it so players can teleport to our settings, or not teleport, to go to our settings menu. Comparator. Comparator was in slot 16. Why did you change your name? I don't know. Mainly because blue PvPs, you know, isn't. I don't really do much PvP. Also, if you search blue PvPs on YouTube, it comes up with a different YouTuber. But if you search BlueCommands, even though it's not exactly my name, it still corrects it to my channel. So that's mainly why. Especially as I'm getting, well, I hope I'm getting YouTube rank when I get 30k, and that's looking closer and closer. You know, we're getting closer and closer to 30k, so it'd be nice to have YouTube people, you know, get the right channel. Okay, nice. Our menu's kind of working now. Obviously, it doesn't have all the settings we need because we need to move them in. So let's do that now. We have. Okay, we should probably do these as loot tables, actually. Probably be much better if we do that. Oh, it's going to have to be a big loot table, isn't it? It's going to have to be a loot table. Okay, let's do this. So for loot tables, what I usually do, and what you'll want to do, is go to this website right here. It is Masode. It's his website. It's basically to make loot tables. I'm sure quite a few are familiar with this, if any of you done any loot table work before. And we basically want to make it in here. So we have a new pool. We have entry. So our first item is going to be our anvil. It's going to have set MBT. Its MBT is going to be Skyblock menu 1B. And also hide flags 63, I think it is. Maybe sheep should get stream mod. Yeah, sure. GG sheep, you are now stream mod. Enjoy the privilege of having to moderate chat. Okay, and then we have another one. That's set name. Like so. Actually, quite a lot of this I can probably copy from an existing loot table. So if I just go here, for example, I'll put this on my other screen so I can do this faster. Yeah, so set name is just this. Oh, but they do it like this. Okay, I'm gonna have to manually do this. Okay, so the first item was show anvil uses. So what we're going to have is we're going to have show anvil uses like so. So that's going to be the name of it. And then yeah, and then we're going to have it as red. Oh, what color? Maybe green again. I think, well, or we could have red for, like, false. So red for not on, and green for on. Well, how do you think? So we've got a couple of options, chat. What we can do is, basically, lots of these are on or off, but then also some of them are values. They would have, like, multiple options. So I think what we should probably do is, we should probably keep the name the same then. And then underneath we can say what the value is. So whether it's on or off. I'm not sure. Actually, I can't make my mind up, chat. I really can't. Let's just see how this looks. I need to make this. Settings. So this is going to be where our output goes. And then, okay, we're not finished whatsoever, but I'm just going to implement this now so we can see it update live, if that makes sense. So I keep refreshing. Admin, menu, sheet settings. So I'm just going to like paste this in. So in here we go to settings. And down here, we go replace item. Oh no, we don't do that. Sorry, we go loot, replace entity, @s's, container 0, loot, admin, menus, settings, like so. Will you add dungeons or not? I will add dungeons, but it's probably going to be one of the last things I add. Or not for a long time. Because obviously it took them a long time to implement it. It was like only came out a couple of months ago, so when you consider it like that, I've got lots to implement before I get to dungeons. Okay, so as you can see, these shouldn't be here obviously. But show anvil uses appears. We need to add a bit of lore to it as well, so it actually shows the correct thing. But we're mostly getting in the right track. We can delete all this. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So reload. Yes, I caught a stream. Thanks for coming around. Or coming over. The Minecraft fan. Here you go. So now we've cleared up our space for all of our stuff. For all of our settings. That's what I meant to say. Okay, and then we also want to add a condition for the... Oh no, so we have a... This can be green. I'll eventually make my mind up, chat. So that can be green. And then we're going to have a law. We can have a law, and the law will change based on what setting it's, like what mode it's on, whether it's on or off and stuff like that. Set law. Entity this. Add law. Okay, and then I just need to put this on my other monitor again. Okay, the law is going to be... Let me think. I'm not very artistic. I need to think of a nice way to lay out this item. So basically, chat, let me explain what I'm trying to think about in my head right now. I should probably explain to you guys. So right now, obviously, we have our settings menu here. So we've got all these different options. Right now, this is the menu we're trying to make. And this is what we've done so far. So obviously we need to add the other items, but for this specific item, the trouble is we need the player to know whether it's on or on. Enchant glint if active. Oh, that is a very good idea. Yeah, we could do an enchanted glint if it's on or off. Yeah, okay, we'll do that. Thank you. Yeah, I like that actually. Although the only issue is if we use an enchant glint, it won't. For example, for what's a good example? Mob spawn rates, for example, the settings for mob spawn rates is going to be 1 times, which is the normal speed, and then you could also have 2 times, so it's double as fast, 3 times, like 5 times as fast as normal, stuff like that. So if we did, you know, if we did an enchanted glint to show on or off for options with multiple settings, it wouldn't really work for those. Use a law as well. Oh yeah, I could use a law and enchanted glint. Yeah, I think so. Like, this is you guys are so useful for this kind of stuff. Okay, I'm just trying to work out what all this stuff is. Okay, so current. So we can have something say currently, and that will. Oh, actually. I think we want something like this. Yeah. I think so anyway. We'll see. So if I had a couple of these. These are basically several lines, I think. 2. Clicks a toggle can be at the bottom. And that can be a colour yellow, because that's what Hypixel normally has their stuff laid out as. Italic false, because italic bad. And then we need a bit of a description of what it does. So I have an empty line. And then we have a description. So for our description for show anvil uses could be something like whether or not, if enabled, items, I don't know a good way of describing anvil uses. If enabled, items will display how many times they have been put through an anvil. Something like that. But you can always change that, because that's probably not the perfect explanation. And then at the top, we need it to say current. Oh, one more. Currently. And then here it says. Oh no. Here it says currently. And then here it says enabled. And this is in green. The currently can be in grey. I think grey could look quite good. Use glint if on. Yeah, I think I'm going to use glint. And also use glint when not default setting. Yeah, that makes more sense, actually. Yeah, actually, that makes perfect sense. Thank you. Yeah, that's definitely a good idea. Because that works also with ones which don't have to have 2 options, on or off. So yeah, currently, I don't know if this is what I want it to look like. This might look wrong, but we can try it. And if it's not, we can just tweak it so it looks right. So it's all good. So yeah, let's move this into our loop table. And then I reload and take a look. Fingers crossed it looks how I intended for it to. Settings. Okay, it kind of does, but it's all on one line. Which isn't what we wanted. So italic false. I need to make sure it says italic false on everything. Yeah. And then every time it's a new line, it has to have a \n, I think. Oh, I won't need this then. \n, \n. 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 No, that should be on one line actually. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Okay, settings. Oh no, that... Maybe it's because it escaped them. We don't want it to escape them. Oh no, I know what I've done. Okay, I've done this all wrong. Okay, let's try this again. Currently, basically I did this in a list, but a list is designed to be on one line. But we don't want it to be on one line, so we did this wrong. Italic false. Okay, it's gonna do this. It's confusing, chat. I don't know why it is, but it is. So, currently, space, italic false, color gray. Okay, second line, enabled. Italic false, color green. Third line is going to be our description, which I can just copy back from what I had before. Although it's probably not a perfect description. I don't know, let's just see. Fourth is space. And fifth is... What was it again? Oh, my dog's barking again. The last one is clicked toggle. And that color is yellow. Okay, let's just put this in our loop table again and try it out. Hopefully it's looking more like what we wanted now. What item are we making? Right now we're making our settings in our cheats menu. So as you can see, like over here. Okay, now it's really messed up. I don't know how I'm messing this up so badly. Oh, I guess this is meant to be string instead of list. I don't know. No, I don't think it is. Help me out, chat. What am I doing wrong? Green. It's all on one line at the moment, but it shouldn't be. Look. Or maybe it's because... I don't know, maybe it's not on one line. Maybe it's just that this description's too long. That could be it. Let's see. Let me just get rid of this line and just replace it with a G or something which isn't long. And then we do it. Skyblock add-ons compatible with this? No, it isn't. But lots of its features I'm going to try add as settings myself, if that makes sense. That way you guys don't really have to worry about that. Okay, now I'm starting to see where I'm going wrong. Hopefully we'll be able to get this right eventually. Enabled. Green. Yeah. Okay. White. So yeah, the problem was our description was just too long. We need to move it to several lines. I don't know how to use the generator, as the command he gives me does not work. Number one, you've got to check you're in the right version of Minecraft. The generator's for 1.16. Number two, if the stats aren't working, that's because you're not in my world. The stats only work in my world. Otherwise, it's just a completely cosmetic item. And number three, you need to make sure if you have plugins installed, some of them don't mess with commands, because some do. For example, Essentials, the plugin, completely breaks command blocks for some reason. So yeah, there's the three things I'd look out for. Hopefully that helps you a bit. If I add a new line, can I move it down? Because I don't think I can. Which is annoying. Okay, I'm going to have to do it in my text editor instead. I'll just halve this, put half of it on each line. Reload. There you go, it kind of works now. It's italic, which is a big issue. There we go. Reload. And okay, what do people? Actually, I want to change the main color of the. I want to change the name color. I don't know what to. Probably maybe gold. Something which isn't green or red. Yeah, that's good. Okay, let's try gold, see what gold looks like. Reload. Okay, what do people think of that lore, like how that's laid out? I don't know how I feel about it. So you'd have name on the top, like a very short name, and then it says currently what it is, and then it gives a little description. So it says, if enabled, items will display how many times they've been put through an anvil. Good? People like it? I'm thinking maybe switch the grey and white text though, so currently is in white, and the description's in grey. What do people think of that? I think that would look nicer. Let me just try it. It's a small detail, but... Yeah. Some people seem to agree about making description grey. And then currently white. Let's just see how that looks. Does that look better, chat? I think it probably does. I like that more, I think. Better or worse, chat? Yeah, I'm seeing some yeses. Yeah, people are saying it looks better. Okay. Okay, cool. Thank you. Okay, so that's one item done. But we need to do more. Okay, I'm gonna do it in. I'm gonna keep doing it in a JSON file because I tried to use the website, but it's a good website, but it doesn't really. It's more time consuming when you know what you're doing already. I feel like. Okay, so we're just gonna copy this whole item and paste it again, and by doing that, on our menu we should now have 2 items displaying. Assuming I've thought this through correctly. Okay, no, we don't. Why is that? Oh, it's because I put them in the same entry, I think. Yeah, so we want them as separate entries completely. Which I think is this. Yeah, so if we do this, we should have ourselves several items. Or 2 items. Yeah, there you go. 2 items. Real smoked salmon says, I think you've... Oh, no. Sorry. Addy180 says, wait, you've lost subs. I don't think I have I? Let me check just for you. No, I haven't gone down in subs. We've gained about 150 subs this stream, so thank you so much, everyone. That's pretty crazy numbers. We're so close now. We are at 28,300 subscribers. So we are 1.7k away from 30k. Pretty mad. Make sure you tell your friends to subscribe. I don't know. Get your second account subscribed. Whatever you can do to help the movement. Okay, let's add the rest of these items. So the next is max enchant level. Its name is down here. Max enchant level. Oh, maybe a better name would be cap enchant level. Cap enchant levels. I think that makes more sense in my head. It is an enchanted book. Enchanted book. Let's get this man to 30k. Yeah, let's please do it. Let's please do it. What's my most popular upload? It's actually not Skyblock. It is More Enchantments data pack. I basically made a data pack full of enchantments. Me and Spartan Spark, he's another command YouTuber. We worked together to make it. I was thinking about making a version 3, but I planned that about 2 months ago and I still haven't done it, so I got too distracted with the remake. Thanks for all the kind words in chat about getting to 30k. Oh no, we need to change the show animal uses to disabled by default, because obviously it is disabled by default, because that's a Skyblock add-ons feature, which I implemented. Okay, the description for cap max enchants is, if enabled, items... So yeah, if enabled, items combined in an anvil cannot exceed the standard max level, something like that. And then if we go like that, there you go. If enabled, items combined in an anvil cannot exceed the standard max level. Okay, cool. I like that. Let's do the next one. Hot potato bug limit. So we just want to copy this whole thing. Oh no, I want to copy this. Okay, I'll just paste this a couple times. Then let's go back up. So we're getting a pretty large function file. Oh, loop table. Hot potato book limit. I haven't actually done hot potato books yet, but I'll have to implement those before I do the setting. And this is a baked potato. Then we have a warped fungus on a stick. But this is a custom texture. Fungus on a stick. And this is a custom model data. I don't know what number it is. Let me see. Data get entity as is selected item dot tag dot custom model data. It's 33. Okay. 33. And its name is Special Zealot Chance. Special or Zealot Chance. I know people in my my video made fun of me for saying Zealot instead of Zealot. Okay, then we've got the Superior Dragon Chances. Layer, head. Data get entity as is selected item.tag.skull owner. And then I should be able to get that by checking this. Go all the way to the bottom. Full screen this and do that. There you go, nice. Paste that in here. And escape all the quotations like so. I'm your biggest fan. Thank you, Daniel. Oops. So Superior Dragon Chances is this one. Superior Dragon Chances. Oh, or we could say Spawn Chance. There you go. And then it is a clock for ability cooldowns. Ability cooldowns. Make our own Easter eggs in the Skyblock remake? I don't know, that's an interesting idea. Maybe I could. I don't know whether it would break the immersion having my own Easter eggs. Maybe not. Lapis Lazuli. And this lapis is unlimited mana. Unlimited mana. Dragons are going to be hard solo. They really are. I tried to do one completely legit on realistic settings, and because dragons regen, I just straight up couldn't do it. So people are going to have to do them with friends, or I'm going to have to implement some sort of like boost system. So when you do a dragon, you do bonus damage. Because without that, they're so difficult. They're basically impossible, to be honest. That's a good job reminding me about that. I need to decide what I want to do with that. What do you guys think? Do you think I should give players a bonus damage when they do dragons to actually give them a chance if they're solo? Or do you think players should have that choice themselves? Like they should do that themselves? Because some people are probably also doing it to test how much damage weapons do and stuff like that. Don't? Yeah, I'm seeing don't. Yes, do it. Okay, now I'm seeing do it. Unlimited money. Then we have experience bottle. Experience bottle. Unlimited mana. Oh no, limited experience. Okay, that's our first row done. I need to do the description still. But here we go. Oh, the heads didn't work properly. I don't know why that is. Make a setting so we can toggle when... That's actually a good idea. It's probably, especially the work currently doing settings. That's good timing. Yeah, actually I might do that right now actually. Dragon, good idea. So dragon head maybe, and it can be damage boost during dragons. Do you think it should be on by default or off by default, chat? Toxic Flames has got to go. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Off by default? Okay, I'm seeing mainly off. Yeah, I think you're probably right, chat. Okay, we'll have it off by default. I'm not sure why the custom heads aren't working right now. I'll come back to that. Let me do the descriptions first. I think that's probably a good idea. Okay, so the first descriptions we've got to do is hot potato book limit. So by default, there is a limit, so it's enabled by default. So if enabled, you cannot what would you call adding a hot potato book? Is it infusing? Is it combining? I guess combining. You cannot combine more than 10 hot potato. It's 10, right? Hot potato books. If enabled, you cannot combine more than 10 hot potato books. Oh yeah, you cannot apply. That sounds better. You cannot apply more than 10 hot potato books. You cannot smush. Okay, then we have... This one is special zealot chance. So this isn't an enabled or disabled. This is a multiplier. So by default, it's 1 times. Yeah, so by default, it's just like the normal amount. And that's green. I guess it can be green. What color do you think it should... Yeah, green makes sense, I guess. Actually, maybe not even red or green. Maybe it should be a completely different color because it's a scale. Maybe like, I don't know. 1 times, 2 times, 5 times, 10 times, 100 times. Yeah, that sounds good numbers. What color should it be? Blue? Yeah, blue could work. Let's see. A light blue or dark blue? I'm seeing light blue. Yellow? Oh, yellow is an interesting idea. I guess that might look too similar to the gold titles, so I'll leave it blue for now. See how that looks. And its description will be controls how common special zealots are. Controls how common special zealots are. Then we have superior dragon chance. Yeah, again, it's a multiplier instead of an on or off, so we're going to have that as blue. And then we can have basically the same description as the one before. Controls how common. Controls how common superior dragon spawns are. Okay, let's just check that so far. And by default, that'd be 1 time, because that's just the normal amount again. Oh no, that could be a percentage, so because the default superior chance is 17%. So if enabled, you cannot apply more than 10 hot potato books. I feel like hot potato should be capitalized.
Are interpretations of the word that tell you more about the guy who's talking than about the world he's talking about.
What are you making right now? If you were here last stream. If not, that's fine. Last stream we worked on a cheats. We designed a cheats menu system and now we're implementing it. So when you click on this, it takes you to a cheat menu. And right now we're doing settings. So these are like custom settings to mess with. So 𝐄𝐿 uses, cap enchant levels. We did these two in the enchantments episode. But now we're kind of coming up with ideas for lots of different enchants. Settings, sorry. And we're moving it to a menu. So yeah, controls how common special zealots are. Oh, thank you so much for the subs, Danny Yellow. Controls how common superior dragons are. I think that should be capitalized too. Been here a long time now. Thank you, Popped. Actually, I remember saying your name early on in the stream. Okay, the clock is for ability cooldowns. So if enabled, item, ability cooldowns will apply. Then we have unlimited mana. By default, that would be false. Oh no, disabled. So if enabled, all players will have unlimited mana. And then we have unlimited money, which is also disabled by default. If enabled, oh, we can just copy the description. If enabled, all players will have unlimited money. You're the best, thank you. Ondra Ludwig. I just subscribed, thank you. Shout out to you. Actually, I'm not going to say that. Okay, and then the last one on this row is unlimited experience. So currently disabled by default. If enabled, all players will have unlimited experience. Okay, let's see how this looks. When do we expect a full release? Well, the first release will be next month, but a full release with all the features, I honestly have no clue. I'm sorry. But the fact that we're now getting a team of developers to help out, because so far it's just been completely solo, just me, means we can hopefully get things done a lot faster. Okay, so this is looking good, I think. Except these heads that aren't showing. I need to fix that again. If enabled, players have unlimited mana, unlimited money, unlimited experience. Okay, so this first row is good after I finish the heads. So let me do that now. I've used custom heads in loot tables before, so I can just have a look there, see what I did then. Yeah, it's right here. Let's see. Okay, there's a head here, so let's try that. Okay, I think this will work. So that should be one head done. Let's check. Blue Commander fan, thanks. Cool channel name. Yeah, so that's the unlimited money done. That's the head done. Now let's do the other head, which is up here. I think the issue is... Yeah, I think I know what the issue is. Oops. I think the issue is it doesn't have this, which it needs to. So if I just do that, it should fix it still. What's chat saying? How are we all doing? I think soon I'll start doing some Hypixel duels. If any of you are interested in that. This is the first stream where I'm actually still watching. Well, I'm glad you're enjoying. Okay, let's do these last couple, and then we'll do some duels. Sound good? Okay, so let me just copy this again. Here. So let's copy this. And we need... How many more entries? We need 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. Let me go back up to here. So our first one is Fairy Soul, so that's a player head. Yeah, so automatically disabled. If enabled, all players will instantly receive Fairy Soul. So instantly receive the Fairy Soul rewards. Without completing it. Without completing them. That'll save a lot of people some time. Its name is... Automatic... I don't know what's a good name. Fairies Soul Rewards. Or Fairy Soul Stats. And that's a custom head, so I need to do that. Get it here. Data get entity. Actually, I think I can just go up and chat a bit. Yeah, here it is. So here, yep. And just paste it here. Get rid of that. Skull owner. Perfect. Then we have mob spawn rates, and that's a zombie head. That's 1x, so color blue. Controls how often mobs spawn in public islands. Nice. Its name is mob spawn rates. What music is this? I like it. I'm glad you like it, 𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿. It is in the description. It's a lo-fi playlist I found on YouTube. Okay, speed cap. Currently enabled, so by default it does have a speed cap. If enabled, players cannot exceed the speed cap. 400, right? The speed cap's 400, I think. Its name is speed cap. Oh yeah, it also can be 600 if you have young. Right? Alright, it's fine for now. I'll leave it as 400, because that's what it is without young. This is wheat seeds. 1x blue. Controls how frequently crops / trees / ores regenerate in public islands. And that is I guess block regeneration speed. Next is accessory bag size. This is one I added after the stream, last stream. Can you make it that you can change the percentage of combat XP you get from mobs? Potentially. Maybe. Can you set it to public islands? It sounds better. Where's that? I did it here. Is this what you mean? Oh, on pub. Oh, you mean on instead of in, right? Okay, sure. I've lost where I am. So we're here. So we're at the accessory bag size. It's a player head. Currently, well, what is it currently? 0 extra. Because this is like additional slots. Yeah. Yeah, so controls how many additional slots, additional accessory. Thank you very much to 𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿 for subscribing. Controls how many additional accessory bag slots each player receives. How do you subscribe? That's a good question. It's just that little red button down there. Bonus accessory bag slots. Nice. Okay. And that is a player head. Oh, thank you to Digas for subscribing. Copy this. Where am I looking? Up here. Skull, owner. Comment out that. Perfect. When it's a number, you should change click to toggle, click to change. Yeah, I was just thinking that, actually. Do you think it'd be better if all of them said click to change, or just those ones? Like, some are on and off, and some are a number you can change. So do you think some should be click to toggle, some click to change, or should all just say click to change for consistency? What do you guys think? I can't decide what would look better. Oh, hello, Reaver. You're the guy I was checking out Island the other day. The island was really cool. Just some, both, toggle and... Okay, toggle and change it is. Cool. I'm glad you guys are on the ball. I was just thinking about that, and then a minute later, you guys come up with it too. Okay, last one. Dragon head. What is it? Damage boost. So currently 1 time, so there is no boost. That's blue. Controls how much additional damage you deal to dragons. Damage boost during dragons. Damage boost during dragons. Okay, now we just need to quickly go back and change them all click to change instead of click to toggle, which are blue. So click to change. And then this one too, click to change. Then all the way down here. Click to change. Oh, that says click to chance. Click to change. Click to change. Lovely. Okay, so let's reload. And if all's gone well, this should be... Oh, one more thing. Quickly this. Okay, now, if everything's gone well, that'll be our skyblock done for the day, and we can do some duels. Where are you actually doing the code? Yeah, this is... We're coding in what we designed the other day. Okay, we've messed it up. What have we done? 1 error. Okay, one of the recent player heads, I think, must have messed it up. Maybe this one. I think it must have been this. Let me remove this and see if it fixes the problem. Reload. It does. Okay, so something's wrong with this. Let's have a look. Do I need another close bracket here? Maybe. So, closes here, opens here, like so. That's like that. These two match. This matches with that. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, it's in red. That needs to be blue. There was something else. And the head isn't correct. So it's not breaking now, but it's not correct. Okay, let's just copy it from somewhere else just to make sure it works. Yep, so we'll copy this into here. So it's the correct head. Okay, now everything should be working. Well, the settings don't function yet, but the menu should look correct. Nice. Okay, let's go through everything. So we've got 𝐄𝐿𝐴𝐼𝐻 uses currently disabled. Good. We've got cap enchants enabled. Hot potato book enabled. This is click to change instead of click to toggle, which is what we wanted. Automatic fairy cells disabled. Mob spawn rates 1x. Click to change. Speed cap. I think we should have a percentage where it says 400. I think that's the only thing I can think of. Everything else looks good. Nice, I think we've done it. So yeah, 400%. And that is us done. Okay, so if you're just here for Hypixel Skyblock, feel free to head on now. If you're not subscribed yet, please do. You know, we're trying to get to that big 30k. Also, make sure you, I don't think I say this that often, but make sure you turn post notifications on, because if I am going to start streaming regularly, you guys want to make sure you catch them all. So yeah, please do that. But if you want to stay and do some Hypixel duels, I'm going to duel you guys so you guys can, you know, do /duel space blue commander, or BlueCommands, sorry. And we can do some duels on there. So yeah, let's do that. Need to load up my other Minecraft. Okay, yeah, let's do it. Let me do it on my other monitor. Baz Lion client. There'll also be a chance for you guys to friend me again if you didn't get a chance before. Oh yeah, and join the Discord. I'm being reminded by chat. Thank you, Pablo. I'll also change the stream name. So let me do that quickly. I don't have a thumbnail for duels. I'll need to do that for next time. For now, I'm just going to have to keep the Hypixel Skyblock live one. That's going to confuse people. BlueCommands. Okay, there you go. The title of the video should be changed. And then let's load this up. Hey Blue, I'm FPS Crypto from Discord. Hey there. Glad you could make the stream. Okay, let's do this. Oh, they instantly come flooding in. Okay. I've got some friend requests to accept, it says first. It doesn't auto-accept the ones which are there when I've been offline. Okay, I think that's everyone. Okay, let's do some duels. First one I see, this one. I need to change my slots real quick. Okay. Turn my thing on. Render distance, we don't need it that high. Okay. Oh wait, and also... Sorry, man. I'm taking so long. I really need to do my UHC hotbar automatically. Okay, good luck to Pizza Pie person. Okay, let's go. Oh no. Solid start, guys. Try hiding right now, don't mind me, chat. I'm still gonna lose. No. GG. After a poor start. Ugandan says, check my island. Okay, we'll do that real quick, I guess. First, I need to quickly change my UHC hotbar. Because that is very annoying. Current range, 200 ping. Nice, okay. Where do I change it? Am I blind? Here. Dual settings. Is that where I go? No, I don't think that's it. Oh, dual kits editor. UHC. Okay, otherwise I'm gonna have to do this every single time. Probably get some people's nerves. Save. Okay, we'll quickly check your ID. I mean, not your ID, your island. Wait, Blue Commander, you forgot to make it so accessory bag says click to change instead of click to toggle. Oh, did I? I'll take a look once I get back on. Is that your IGN? No, I can't remember your IGN. Is it that? I think it's double. I can't really remember. Uganda, what was your IGN again? Is he still here? Oh yeah, I meant visit. So it's underscore UFFLE. Mad. This is sick. The fact people put so much work into stuff like this is actually crazy. Take a picture next to it. That's crazy. Thank you, Ugandan. That's actually really sick. Alright, that's really cool. Okay, let's do some more duels. Thank you, Ugandan. That is really cool. Yeah, we can do a duel. Ow. Oh wait, my resource pack's not on. Okay, we'll do that after this. I thought things looked a bit weird. Ah, GG. That was close. Okay, sorry, I can't do a rematch otherwise. Yeah, it's unfair. Okay, let's go resource packs. 1.15 textures. There you go, that's much better. Okay, first one I see. Enemy toast 8525. Let's do this. Is he there? Oh, there he is. Oh, yeah, just right click or like shift or something if you want to screenshot anybody. I know not all of you do, but if you do, if you're one of those people, please ask. There we go. That's good, that's good. Did he just use a head? He used a head. Okay, we're gonna run. Let's get him to waste his speed. Okay, that's good. Oh, okay. No heads or gaps. Let's go. Good fight, man. Okay, let's do another one. Bonkers turnip. Good luck. Oh, he's pre-gapping. Interesting strat. Okay, I don't know what happened there.
It suggests something with which you may disagree violently. That at best, the products of human emotion, art, philosophy, politics, music, literature, are interpretations of the world that tell you more about the guy
Okay, yeah, ahead. Not ideal.
the world he's talking about. Trying to find ways to translate the knowledge, to teach us to ask the right questions, and then go and ask for explanations. And if you're thinking right now, what have I asked for?
I'm just going to camp on the low ground.
Anything in your life that you want to change.
Oh no, we're getting low. Good fight. Good fight. I was going really silent during fights. Okay, who we got next? A strong guy. Good luck. Ah, not the flint and steel again. It's my weakness. I want to burn to death. No. Oh, I just got bowed to death. Okay, GG. Okay, let's see if any patrons want to do it. If there's any patrons in the stream right now, feel free to message on the exclusive chat. In the meantime, I'll do another normal one. Good luck, Dark. Oh, screenshot. Oh, sorry. Oh, his dog's gonna kill me. I have to kill your dog. Ah, poor dog. We can both have some regen. Oh, my speed's in another language for some reason. John Wick will remember that. Is he hiding here? I thought I saw him. No? I guess I'm going insane. Well, time to die. He just jumped to his death, nice. GG. Okay, let's see if anyone in the exclusive chat responded. I'll do a pose. Where was that? 8168. Good luck, man. Why should I even try to fight him? I'm not that good at PvP. I used to be really good, but I've got a lot worse. Oh, poor guy. Oh, I shot him and it landed at the same time. Good fight. Okay. I like bow duels. Okay. We've got a patron. Good luck, 𝐒𝐿𝐬𝐬. Also, shout out for helping out on the Discord all the time. Okay, let's rearrange this. Give him some weakness. Use whatever that ability does. I still don't know. Are you kidding? Why is this a thing? Chase him down. GG. Feels good seeing blue commands instead of blue PvPs. Combo? Nah, I hate combo, I'm afraid. No, I won't do any combos, bridges, what else? Or sumos. So, yeah, don't spend your time trying to invite me on them. Just because bridge takes too long, sumo I have a burning hatred towards. And, combo, yeah, also just takes a long time. We can't do anything which takes a long time. Oh yeah, sure, screenshot. Oh wait, was that other bow guy trying to take a screenshot too? I'm not sure. Sorry if you were. Suma's cursed? Yeah, I don't like it. I know there's lots of really good people at it, but it's just not my thing. Okay, let's go. Oh no, he got the first hit. And the second. I feel like you kind of get a combo with bows somehow. I don't know how it happens, but it does. Oh, that was close. That's one of the closest bows I've ever had, I think. Good fight. I'll do a blitz. I don't think I've done a blitz in a while. I don't know what to go. Quick chat, what do I go? What do I go? I'm not going to have time to read chat response. I'll go whatever Shadow Knight is. Potions of blindness? Okay, I made a bad decision. Quickly blind him. Apparently that's useful. Can you die, please? Thank you. I've already lost half my health now, though. Did I get him? I'm not sure. Unlucky. Good fight, Greek gamer. 𝐿𝐬𝐬𝐜, good luck. It feels good having the what am I saying? The hotbar automatically done. Oh, look at those pings. No, thank you. I think this is my time to dip. Right, get out, please. Yeah, I had to use a head there. There's nothing else I could do. Oh, I completely messed up. Oh, that's annoying. That is. I messed up my 2 hotkeys, so I got out of sync. Okay. Let's do this. This is from the exclusive. And they want anything other than bow. So bow it is. No, I'll do a duel. A UHC. Okay, good luck to Game World 978. Don't think so. Oh, thank you for the water. I'll quickly block off this lava as well. Good fight, man. Oh, it's instantly taken me to another. I don't know what's going on here. Did I click play again? Okay, well, I think this is against a non-subscriber, but we'll try it. Mistakes was made. Oh no. I just suck. Okay, no. So like sometimes I get into some mad combos and other times I just mess up my hotkeys and end up like, punching with my rod and trying to right click with my sword and stuff like that. Oh no, I've already done Dark Dash. Arta GG, good luck, man. Screen it? Yeah, sure. It's always hard to know with a bow duel whether they want a screenshot or not. Especially that chat looks like this. You got it? Are you ready to go? Yep. Okay, cool. Is he ready? I'll shoot a bow roughly towards him. Okay, let's go. Oh, I'm getting some ping right now. Oh, my sprint was off. GG. Okay, good luck to... I can't read the name. Good luck to 𝐒𝐿𝐴. We'll only be able to do a couple more duels. I normally do a lot more duels, but we don't have too much time left. Can I lava you back? Nope. Oh, you want a bow, huh? You like bows? Okay, we'll eat a gap. Just to be safe. Oh, he ate your head, I think. Did he? Oh no, he's not healing. Good fight, good fight. Blitz? I guess we can try another blitz. If I do not get a jewel, I will literally drink water. Well, maybe I should deliberately not jewel you then, because hydration is important. Oh, it's like the same thing all over again. It's the same kit I'm up against too. Oh wait, they didn't want a screenshot, did they? I just want to avoid this pigman completely. He is very annoying. There we go, he gone. Is this guy okay? Good fight. Cool. Won't let me click people. Oh, Reaver. Okay, never mind, it won't let me click anybody. Hello? What's up with this? I literally clicked like 5 people. And now I feel really bad the people I clicked who didn't get to do it just because Hypixel messed up. Oh, screenshot? Okay. Do you accept contraband? Yeah. Yeah, I do. But only when I'm on. Like, I don't want to stop jewels and stuff for it. Is this guy bee-hopping? Is this guy bee-hopping or am I going insane? Good luck to pick picks. If I die to fire again, I'm going to cry. Just a heads up. Good fight, man. Okay, I feel really bad for Reaver, who I clicked on, nothing happened, so I'm just going to duel him. Okay, I saw him in chat there. There you go. Is he good? Okay, let's go. Oh, he didn't want screenshot, did he? I don't think so, the way he's running at me scarily. Is he good? That's how what he's doing. Is he become a pacifist? He can't click. Oh no. Poor guy. Are you gonna try click or can you just not do it? Goodbye. Ah, poor guy. Boom. Have a nice week. Have a nice week to you too. Sorry about that. Enchanted games. Boat? Sure. What just happened there? Oh, I'm messing up all my bow shots today. There you go. UHC? Sure. Can you frame me on Hypixel? Yeah, just send me a frame request, it automatically accepts it. Good luck. This guy looks like a pro. I'm slightly intimidated. Oh no, he gapped. Or headed. Wait. He says wait. Hopefully it's not wait to stream. I mean, wait to heal. Was he just healing then? I can't tell. How many heads has he used? I think he's used 2. Oh, let's go. Good fight, man. Good fight. Okay, we'll do a couple more. Whose name have I seen a lot but not got around to do? Let me see. Oh, it won't let me click people again. Nice. Yeah, Fox, I'll duel you after. I have seen your name a lot. Oh, who wants a screenshot? Do you accept bridge duels? Nah, they take too long, unfortunately. I would in other situations, but not now, because we're trying to get as many people as possible. Oh no, I might lose this one. I haven't lost Oh. What just happened there? Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Good fight, man. I think it's the first bow I've lost in a long time. Put us 2 bed wars together. Unfortunately, that takes too long as well. That's the thing I like about duels, they're quite short and sweet. Did this guy head immediately? Oh no. That's not good. Oh, and I'm low. His own water helped me. He shouldn't have stopped PvPing. I think he was slightly more damaged than me. Good fight. Okay, we'll do 3 more. 3 more duels. Okay. There you go. This will be our 3rd last. Can you duel me in UHC, please? You'll have to send me the request, and then hopefully you'll get accepted. There's so many messages in chat right now, I can't guarantee it, but hopefully. Oh no, maybe I've lost my bow touch. Shouldn't have done that. Shouldn't have done that. Oh no, I'm still gonna die. Oh, that was really close. Good fight. Yeah, I think... It's annoying when you're about to click someone, it just teleports you to a different world. Okay, let's go. Good luck to 𝐒𝐴𝐻 Oh no. Oh. There's void there. That was disappointing. That was their anticlimactic ending. Okay, 1 more. I'll close my eyes and whatever the person I see is, that will be the one. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I saw this. Dead in Silence, UHC duels. Okay, let's do it. Bro, love the content. Keep it up and get YouTube rank. Thank you, 𝐼𝐿𝐼. Oh no. Oh no, I'm messing up my hotkeys again. Good fight. Okay. That'll be the end of the stream. If anyone wants to get a friend request in, please do. This is your last chance for today. Yeah, other than that, I really hope you enjoyed the stream. If you did, please leave a like on it. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. But I trust you guys have by now. But if not, please. Anyway, yeah, I will go to Jules Lobby. Let's see. Jules Lobby 9. And I'll go AFK over here for a short period if anyone wants to take a screenshot. Okay? And if there's lots of people around and you can't see me, just friend me and then you can use this 8th item to hide players. Like so. So yeah, I hope you have a great day, everyone. And yeah, I'll see you on next stream, which will hopefully be Saturdays. I'm not sure if it'll be tomorrow because I streamed today, but I want to start, maybe, we'll see. But I want to start regular streams on Saturday, so we'll see. Okay, bye everyone.